In the not-so-distant future, imagine a city built with artificial intelligence at its very core. Our first city, where AI plays a fundamental role in every aspect, shapes its inhabitants' daily lives, and transforms the urban landscape. This is more than just a smart city. It's an AI city, an urban ecosystem thriving on AI algorithms and robotics. At the heart of this AI city pulsates a central AI brain. This networked entity manages and optimizes all aspects of the city's functions, from transportation to environmental health, infrastructure maintenance, and energy distribution. This central brain interfaces with all the city's interconnected machines, from self-driving cars and surveillance drones to apartment building robots and the city's various infrastructures, in a seamless symphony of information exchange. The concept of traffic as we know it is revolutionized in the AI city. Traditional lanes and traffic lights are replaced by a dynamic digital road layout managed by the central AI. It continually redesigns the city's traffic flow based on real-time data, adding more lanes during rush hour, clearing them out for pedestrians during weekends, and adjusting layouts in response to weather conditions, construction projects, or special events. The architectural design of buildings, too, has been radically transformed. Apartment buildings come equipped with drone landing pads on rooftops where deliveries are made, integrating e-commerce into the city's design. Small elevators convey the packages into the building, where an AI-managed robot collects and delivers them to the doorstep. A robotic mailbox ensures a seamless handover into the home. At the core of this AI city, acting as the urban heartbeat, there are the e-commerce fulfillment centers and warehouses. These aren't isolated structures situated on the outskirts, but tall buildings strategically placed in the middle of the city, enabling easy access for the delivery drones. These centers function like beehives, with drones constantly flying in and out, transporting packages, and creating a bustling network of delivery routes that keep the city's e-commerce alive and thriving. Therefore, the AI city is not simply a notion for the future. It is an orchestrated harmony of AI technologies, all synchronized by the central AI brain. This central AI brain will drastically revolutionize traffic management and architecture, and redefine what it means to live in an urban environment. This carefully crafted harmony can be found in every nook and cranny of this AI metropolis, including the historically natural areas, such as our parks and other green spaces. These green areas are kept in pristine condition by robotic caretakers that do their duties with almost surgical accuracy. Their responsibilities include maintaining the green areas, pruning the trees, and monitoring air quality. The AI city places a high emphasis on maintaining a healthy environment. In a society that is becoming more concerned about climate change and pollution, the AI city is ideal for sustainability and ethical living. Air pollution levels in the city have dramatically decreased due to the banning of gas-powered vehicles. Nevertheless, AI does not rest on its previous accomplishments. An army of drones, which the central AI brain manages, is constantly monitoring the air quality, watching vigilantly for any spikes in pollution, particularly around possible hotspots such as factories and construction sites. This is especially important in areas with a high possibility of such hotspots. This monitoring also extends to monitoring noise pollution, helping to keep the city's atmosphere at its ideal level. But it's not just above ground where the AI flexes its muscles. Beneath the city's surface, autonomous robotic crawlers patrol the extensive network of pipes, a crucial task typically unseen by city dwellers, but paramount to the city's function. Furthermore, waste management has never been more efficient. Garbage is not merely collected, it's analyzed and sorted at AI recycling facilities, enabling targeted recycling programs and contributing significantly to the city's sustainability goals. Moving above ground again, the city's public transportation system showcases AI prowess. A fleet of self-driving electric buses and trains respond in real time to the city's commuting needs. AI-managed cameras count the number of people waiting at each stop, and the central AI brain adjusts the transportation schedule accordingly, sending more vehicles when demand spikes. This hyper-responsive public transportation system is efficient and contributes to the reducing carbon emissions by encouraging shared commutes. This AI city intelligence isn't just reactive, but predictive. The central AI brain uses advanced predictive algorithms to monitor the city's infrastructure, accurately predicting when certain parts of the town need repair before any malfunction occurs. This isn't limited to apparent areas like potholes or broken streetlights, but extends to subtler signs of urban wear and tear, like graffiti, cracked building windows, or even regions requiring maintenance based on photos uploaded to social media feeds. Upon detecting a problem, Central AI deploys robot workers to rectify the issue, reducing downtime and inconvenience to the city's inhabitants. Integral to the city's efficient operation is its masterful energy management. The central AI brain controls the streetlights, adjusting their brightness based on pedestrian traffic to conserve energy and manages the city's power distribution. It has access to batteries stored in office and apartment buildings, storing energy during low demand periods like at night and redistributing it to higher demand areas during the day. Creating localized microgrids within the city contributes to energy efficiency and sustainability. Yet, with all these sophisticated technological advancements, the AI city understands the importance of peace, quiet, and space for reflection. The city has designated quiet zones and sanctuaries where the ever-watchful AI steps back to allow humans a respite from the relentless pace of urban life. These quiet zones, devoid of drones, robots, and self-driving vehicles during the day, are lush green spaces where city dwellers can enjoy a moment of tranquility amid the technological marvels surrounding them. Cameras at the perimeter of these quiet zones monitor the flow of people in and out, ensuring these spaces remain undisturbed. The airspaces above these zones are drone-free, the streets below devoid of self-driving vehicles. They are, in essence, human spaces. The sole exception is at night, when maintenance bots enter the zones to keep them pristine, ready for humans to enjoy the following day. And in this future vision, the first AI city isn't merely a metropolis of technological innovation. It's an ecosystem where human needs, AI capabilities, and environmental considerations balance, working harmoniously to create a sustainable, efficient, and habitable urban environment. It's a future where the benefits of AI extend beyond convenience and efficiency to nurturing our planet and improving our quality of life. Now, let us dream, innovate, and build. This vision of the first AI city may seem futuristic, yet its future is within our grasp. It's a testament to our technological prowess and, more importantly, to our collective ambition to create a sustainable, harmonious future for ourselves and for future generations. As we step into this future, let's applaud the journey that has brought us here and the music of innovation that propels us forward. If you found the content helpful, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel AI Tech Academy for more regular content like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, and until then, goodbye.